In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Cloudflare off. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, performing some website updates, or simply need to bypass Cloudflare temporarily, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. Cloudflare is a powerful tool for optimizing and protecting your website, but sometimes turning it off temporarily is necessary. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to pause Cloudflare for your site and re-enable it when you're ready. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Cloudflare dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the domains associated with your Cloudflare account. If you're managing multiple websites, make sure to locate the specific domain you want to pause Cloudflare for. Select that domain by clicking on it, and you'll be taken to its dedicated dashboard. Now that you're in the dashboard for your selected domain, the next step is to navigate to the Overview tab. You'll find this tab at the top of the page, alongside other options like Analytics, DNS, and Speed. The Overview tab is essentially your command center for the domain, giving you a quick summary of its current status and settings. Once you're in the Overview tab, scroll down until you reach the Advanced Actions section. This part of the page is where you'll find more in-depth options for managing your domain. Keep scrolling until you see the option that says Pause Cloudflare On-Site. This is exactly what we're looking for. When you find that option, go ahead and click on it. You'll see a prompt asking you to confirm your action. This step is important because turning off Cloudflare means your site will no longer benefit from its caching, security, and performance features. Basically, your site will revert to functioning through your origin server directly. If you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the action. After you've confirmed, the process will begin. At this point, you'll need to wait for the changes to take effect. Typically, it takes about 5 minutes for Cloudflare to fully pause its services for your site. During this time, you can go ahead and test your site or perform the tasks you needed Cloudflare disabled for. Now, let's talk about how to restore Cloudflare services when you're ready. The process is just as simple as turning it off. To enable Cloudflare again, return to the Overview tab for your domain. Just like before, scroll down to the Advanced Actions section. This time, you'll be looking for the option that says Enable Cloudflare On-Site. Click on that, confirm the action when prompted, and Cloudflare will start reactivating its services for your site. Again, this process typically takes a few minutes to complete. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to pause and restore Cloudflare for your site. Whether you're troubleshooting, making updates, or testing configurations, you now have full control over toggling Cloudflare services as needed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.